In this video, we're going to complete an input-output table for multiplication. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the table using the rule multiply by 6. So these are the numbers on the input side, and we need to figure out the output side using this rule. And 1 is already done. 3 times 6 is given as 18. So the first thing, step 1, is to write out the multiplication sentence. So we take 0, we multiply it by the rule, and it equals something. And we do the same for each number in the table. This one has an answer, it's already given. The next step is you could perform the calculation. You could use a multiplication chart if you need to, and here it is. But you should try to memorize these so that you can have it in your head. Okay, so let's fill them in now. So if we do the multiplication, 0 times 6 is equal to 0. We could see it from the chart. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. And 4 times 6 is 24. And that's the answer to this question. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. You've got this. Anyone can do math. Just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it. In the description, there's a PDF with an ebook link. You could download the ebook and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook.